Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is BLC Incorporated uses a shop costing system manufacturing overhead is applied on the basis of truck labor hours. As the beginning of the year, management estimated that the company would incur 14,85,000 of manufacturing overhead costs and incur 90,000 truck labor hours. The following incomplete information provided in relation to HD manufacturing for the month of June. First, the actual labor rate is $22 per hour. A total of 7,500 labor hours were worked during normal working hours. Total cost of idle time incurred during the month was 5,410. Second, jobs sold during the month were sold for 11,90,000. The cost of the goods sold during the month was 8,06,000. Third, depreciation on factory equipment incurred during the June was 6,300 for electricity costs, and sundry manufacturing overhead costs incurred during June were 92,000. First, complete the T account providing the amount of A to I to show the flow of costs through the company's manufacturing accounts, and B no entry is required to close the amount of over under applied overhead in this part of the question. Second was manufacturing overhead under over applied during January, and how much record the general entry to close the under over applied manufacturing overhead. And the answer of the question is, let's complete T account for the manufacturing account and determine if manufacturing overhead was under or over applied during June. Pause the video and go through the account and calculation. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.